guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonja for those of you stopping by my channel for the very first time, and this is Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm going to be taking some of this wood that was meant for trash and creating a fall DIY project, a DIY decor project. So I will be creating 3 very cute pumpkins out of this wood. So I already cut it up, and I also angled the tops, and then later on I will give them a little bit of sanding. And then I also cut off a branch from a tree in my garden, and which I will be gluing on top of. But first I'm going to paint the pumpkins with some acrylic paint. I'm gonna give them a really light coat, and then I'm going to sand that coat down. Now unfortunately my camera had died in a process of me showing you how I painted these, but I figured it was just painting, so I had actually hot glued the little tops first and then I painted them. But as you can see, I gave them a really light coat, and then I took the sandpaper and sanded the edges down as well as a little bit in the middle, just to give them that rustic look that I was going for. And then I'm going to be also adding some fall leaves to the side, just to give the pumpkin a little bit more character. This was such a cute and easy DIY, and I think it's gonna be a great addition either for my indoor or my outdoor decor. I am going for that rustic farmhouse look, and this fits just right in. I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. She hosts this challenge every single month, with exception once in a while, not doing it over the summer. And she typically has a co-host, and for this month it's Leah Knapp from Beauty on Purpose. And they ask us to create taking trash and create treasure from it. So something that was intended for trash, and you've created a piece of something that you can use in your home. And that is what I did with these pieces of wood. They were from a different project that I made last week, and I didn't want it to throw out the wood because I knew I could create something pretty spectacular with it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, I know it was short and sweet, give it a thumbs up. And if you are stopping by my channel for the very first time, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I have tons of fall DIYs coming your way, so you want to make sure that your bell is on. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.